Books that will turn you into a hacker? Yes, you heard that right. In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 books that, if you grab them, you will be hacking like a pro. So get ready to transform your bookshelf into a secret portal to the world of cyber wizardry. Just remember, these books might boost your hacking skills, but they won't help you break into your neighbor's Wi-Fi. The first book we have on our shelf is Hacking the Art of Exploitation by John Erickson. If you're ready to swap your turn it off and on again routine for a backstage pass into the inner workings of computer security, this book is your VIP ticket. Erickson doesn't just hand you a cheat sheet of hacking commands. He breaks down the very nuts and bolts of computer architecture, C programming, and assembly language, showing you exactly how exploits like buffer overflows work. Imagine it as a digital cookbook, where instead of following a recipe for spaghetti, you're learning to cook up your own ethical exploits, all while keeping it legal, of course, with plenty of hands-on exercises to get your fingers dirty and a witty style that keeps the complex stuff surprisingly fun. This book is your ultimate guide to transforming from a curious newbie to a bona fide white hat wizard. Ghost in the Wires by Kevin Mitnick is another outstanding book to read. And if you want a front row seat to the wild ride of one of the world's most notorious hackers, then this memoir is your golden ticket. Mitnick takes you on a thrilling escapade through his cat and mouse adventures with the FBI and insider secrets that make you wonder if your computer even has a ghost in it. Not only does this book offer jaw-dropping real-life exploits and clever social engineering tactics, but it also gives you a unique perspective on the evolution of hacker culture. So if you're curious about how the art of hacking can be as much about brains and charm as it is about breaking codes, Ghost in the Wires will not only entertain you, it'll inspire you to think like a hacker. Black Hat Python by Justin Seitz is the book that turns your Python skills into your very own digital Swiss Army knife. Perfect for anyone ready to craft their own hacking tools with a side of mischief, all in the name of ethical hacking, of course. This guide doesn't just teach you Python, it shows you how to bend it to your will by building everything from Trojan command and control servers to clever automation scripts that can outsmart even the toughest firewalls. With a healthy dose of real-world examples, you'll not only learn the ins and outs of hacking with Python, but you'll also start thinking like a white hat hacker, ready to tackle security challenges with creativity and flair. So, if you're eager to trade your beginner scripts for some truly badass code, Black Hat Python is your fast-track ticket to coding wizardry in the cyber world. The Hacker Playbook 3 by Peter Kim isn't just another manual, it's your secret playbook for turning hacking into an art form worthy of a digital samurai. Imagine upgrading from a curious novice to a stealthy tactical pro, where every chapter feels like an advanced video game level loaded with clever red team maneuvers, ingenious lateral movement tricks, and counter-surveillance tactics that'll leave your firewall scratching its head. With plenty of hands-on labs and tongue-in-cheek commentary that proves even high-stakes hacking can have a sense of humor, this book transforms complex cyber strategies into an exciting challenge, all while keeping things ethically sound. So if you're ready to swap your basic hacks for next-level ninja moves, grab the Hacker Playbook 3 and let your inner cyber warrior run wild. Gray Hat Hacking. The Ethical Hacker's Handbook is your go-to guide for walking that fine line between the good guys and the rebels without ever crossing into the dark side. This book gives you a masterclass in how to think like a hacker, blending technical wizardry with real-world tactics in a way that's both enlightening and a whole lot of fun. With clear, hands-on examples and a dash of cheeky humor, it teaches you not only to spot vulnerabilities like a pro, but also to understand the ethical mindset behind exploiting them for good. If you've ever wanted to peek into the secret playbook of hackers without becoming one of them, Gray Hat Hacking is your ticket to learning advanced techniques, all while keeping your moral compass firmly in the white hat zone. So that's a wrap, folks. I'll drop links in the description where you can snag these books, whether you're flush or broke like me. And if your wallet's a bit lighter but your hacking dreams are still heavy, don't worry, I've got the ebook links for you too.